This is just not working. What is the problem here anyways? I've got this little vacuum and it gives out quite a bit of suction too. And I even got the vacuum out. We have oh, what do you call it? Whole house, I don't know what you call it. You plug it in right here and you take your hose and it's the it's like a vacuum, and I can't get it off from that either. And see, if you have a bed like this or any furniture like this, let me tell you, this is a really nice piece because you can kind of step on this, sit on this. I sit on this every morning to put my shoes on sometimes, or my socks or whatever. Actually, I use this for my shoes. You remember that? I use this long thing from IKEA. It only cost me $1, and I just hold my shoe down there and put it in. And that's how I do it. That way I've never have to untie my shoelaces. I probably untied these shoelaces maybe 3 times since I've gotten these shoes, and these shoes are about a year old or more. But enough of that. I'm trying to clean this thing off and vacuum it. Lots of times you get the vacuum and a lot of the stuff will come off, but then a lot of the stuff won't come off. You just keep going and going and going. You have to flick it like this and rub it back and forth, and pretty soon it comes off, and sometimes it doesn't come off at all. And after we bought this, hey, you wanted to know about pillaring, and I'm getting close to explaining this to you. So just keep watching this. After we bought this, about, maybe 3 months after we bought it, we had all kinds of stuff just lifting up, and I thought, this is crappy. Let's take this back and get our money back. See, you get stuff like that. See that? It's stuff like that. And I tried it. Instead of vacuuming it, I thought, hey, maybe I'll just take a cleaning brush to it and brush it off. And that created more of that stuff. And see in here, look at all this. It's just little bits of lint and hair and stuff, and it just takes forever to get off. And it's because this material just starts getting hair on it and starts lifting. You see how it does? See here? Like that. That little bit of white is caught in there. And it's not because this is that old. It's just because it's starting to lift. And when we got this from Lazy Boy, as a matter of fact. And when we called them, the lady said, oh, just get a pillaring machine. Just get a little unit. And I thought she was joking. I thought, pillaring machine? What the heck is that? She goes, oh, you can get those at Target or places. And we ended up going to Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. And this is what a pillaring machine is. Look at this. Let's get this set up. I'll show you. Here it is. You can take this off, and there's batteries in there. Here's the little batteries that come out, see? And let's see if I can get that back on there, okay? The on and off switch. And there's just a little cutter blade in there and suction, and then you pull this thing off. Let's see here. I've used this a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and clean that right now. See, there's some of that stuff right there. You want to clean this every once in a while because it gets caught up in there. Here, this stuff came off of that. Okay, push it back on there like that. Okay, and so let me show you how this thing works, and I'll do it right down in here. And you remember all the stuff that was there. I'll get you down here a little closer, maybe. Maybe I can lower the legs of my tripod and get you down here. Right down here, closer. Now you remember, here is a spot. Right here And I already did a little section over there, but I kept this area for you, specifically for you right in here. See all this stuff here? Look at it. And this is after vacuuming it. You saw me try to vacuum it. Look at all that little stuff. You think, well, how can I get that off? Scissors? No, you get the pillaring. Little pillaring machine. And I'm going to run that on there. Got it turned on. You hear it's cutting already. I'll just do this one little spot. And just run it back and forth. And for this whole bed, depending how often you do this, it may take you 15-20 minutes or longer. First time I did it, I spent, oh, I don't know, an hour, at least an hour on it. And I might have to replace the batteries on here pretty soon. Just concentrating on this one little area because I wanted you to see this bit right here. Let's get you down in there closer. See there? Look at that. Now the only thing with this is it's round. And it's hard to get right up next to the bed. If I wanted to get this little bit from here over, you know, I could pull it down. See how it's already pillaring down in here? I'd have to pull it down like that to see if I can't get it closer, or I would have to move the mattress. Get it really super close, I'd have to slide the mattress off. And I'm not sure if they have one of these with the square end so you can get it in closer. They probably don't, is my guess, because this blade's round, see, and it's cutting in there. Now, I haven't done anywhere else. You saw that I had it cleaned out before, right? Let's do just a little bit more right here. Here it's doing its thing. It's just running it along there nice and easy. You don't have to press too hard. And that's just cutting those burrs, those edges off. And it's making this look nice and new again. And if I ever have to buy another piece of furniture with these side rails on and stuff, I don't want it to be this material because I really don't want to keep doing this, but we have no choice now because we bought this. And I don't know if this would take little things off like sweaters. Let's say you got something or a pair of pants. I don't know. Trial and error, I guess. Get one of these and try it out and see. I'm going to turn it off. And you saw I had this clean before. Let's see how much stuff is in here. There's some. There you go. Look at that. This is all the stuff that I just took off of there, see? That's that fine little stuff right on top. And that's what your pillaring tool, your little machine's gonna do. That's something. I never would have guessed they had something like this. Like I say, when they told me, they told us on the phone, oh, just get a pillaring tool, pillaring machine. I thought they were kidding.